Back order management is always critical, I believe, in most companies. Back orders are not happy customers. And so we have some screens inside of the system that allow me to focus in on those back order lines and really give them some focused attention. I like this quantity section in the middle because I get a very nice snapshot of how much of this order has been completed, what's been invoiced, what's on order, what's been set up as a work right now. In other words, what am I currently picking through advanced warehousing, etc. I also have contact information here. So from this screen, as a shipping person, I can reach out to the customer directly and say, you know, this is the plan. This is when I'm going to be shipping this to you, or, you know, apologies, it's on back order. You know, how can we help you?